Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, has secured a $6 million contract from the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, to integrate its Advanced Matrix Flight Autonomy System into the U.S. Army's experimental UH-60M Black Hawk helicopter. The project, scheduled for completion in 2025, aims to significantly enhance the helicopter's capabilities by introducing autonomous functions. The upgraded aircraft, designated MX, will allow the U.S. Army Combat Capabilities Development Command, or DEVCOM, to explore a range of autonomous options, from single-pilot operations to fully uncrewed flights. Rich Benton, Sikorsky's vice president, highlighted how this technology will reduce pilot workload, improve flight safety, and give commanders greater flexibility to conduct complex missions in any weather or time of day. The Matrix system is a key part of DARPA's Aircrew Labor In-cockpit Automation System, or ALIAS program, which seeks to improve pilot safety and mission effectiveness in high-risk scenarios. In 2020, Sikorsky installed fly-by-wire controls in the MX, making it a near replica of the UH-60A optionally piloted Black Hawk, which has already served as a testbed for autonomous systems. Once fully integrated, DEVCOM will assess the Matrix system using various sensor suites and autonomy applications to improve situational awareness and safety, especially in congested or contested environments. A demonstration in July 2024 showcased the Black Hawk's autonomous capabilities, allowing operators to issue mission commands via a tablet from either the ground or the cabin. This follows earlier successes in 2022, where the helicopter autonomously completed cargo resupply missions without a crew on board. Sikorsky is committed to keeping the Black Hawk operationally relevant into the 2070s. This initiative is part of Lockheed Martin's broader efforts, including the ModSTAR initiative, which accelerates product development through modular upgrades. Using its digital engineering platform Arise, which incorporates AI and machine learning, Lockheed Martin is advancing projects like DARPA's Artificial Intelligence Reinforcements Initiative and enhancements to the Precision Strike Missile program. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.